Your question is the first draft of the constitution was prepared by. Your options are A. B.R. Ambedkar, B. B.N. Rao, C. K. Santanam, or D. K.M. Munshi. Answer is B. B.N. Rao. Question is when did the Constituent Assembly adopt the national flag? Your options are A. 22 July 1947, B. 23 July 1947, C. 25 July 1947, or D. 15 August 1947. Answer is A. 22 July 1947. Our question is who was the chairman of the National Flag Committee? Your options are A. C. Rajgopalachari, B. Dr. Rajendra Prasad, C. J.B. Kripalani, or D. Dr. B. R. Ambedkar. The answer is B. Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Your question is consider the following statements. First, the design of the national flag was adopted by the Constituent Assembly of India on 22nd July 1947. Second, the wheel in national flag has 21 spokes. Third, the ratio of the width of the national flag to its length is 3:4. Which of the above statements is or are correct? A. 1 and 2, B. 1 only, C. 2 and 3, or D. 2 only. Answer is B. 1 only. The design of the national flag was adopted by the Constituent Assembly of India on 22nd July 1947. Your question is the Constitution of India was completed on. Your options are A. January 26, 1950, B. November 26, 1949, C. February 11, 1948, or D. None of the above is correct. Answer is B. November 26, 1949. Question is Indian Constitution was adopted by the Constituent Assembly on. Your options are A. 26 November 1949, B. 15 August 1949, C. 2 October 1949, or D. 15 November 1949. Answer is A. 26 November 1949. Question is Constitution of India came into force on. Your options are A. 26 January 1950, B. 23rd January 1950, C. 15 August 1947, or D. 26 December 1949. Answer is A. 26 January 1950. Question is January 26 was selected as the date for the inauguration of the Constitution because. Your options are A. The Congress had observed it as the Independence Day in 1930, B. On that day the Quit India movement was started in 1942, C. It was considered to be an auspicious day, or D. None of the above. Answer is A. The Congress had observed it as the Independence Day in 1930. Question is Indian Constitution was adopted by. Your options are A. Constituent Assembly, B. British Parliament, C. Governor General, or D. Indian Parliament. The answer is A. Constituent Assembly. The question is the Constitution of India was adopted on which date? Your options are A. 26 January 1950, B. 26 November 1949, C. 26 January 1949, or D. 15 July 1947. The answer is B. 26 November 1949.